How to fix Bluetooth earbuds not connecting on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve Bluetooth connectivity issues with your earbuds on your Android device. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Connections. Following that, tap on Bluetooth. Now, if Bluetooth is already on, toggle it off first. Wait a moment and toggle it back on. This refreshes your Bluetooth connection completely. Moving forward, look for your earbuds in the available devices list. If they don't appear, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Tap on Clear All Paired Devices to remove old connections. Afterwards, put your earbuds back in their case and close the lid. Wait for about 10 seconds, open the lid again, and make sure your earbuds are fully charged. Now go back to Bluetooth settings and tap on Scan or Add New Device. Your earbuds should appear in the list of available devices. Tap on your earbud's name to pair them. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. Once connected, test your earbuds by playing some audio. If the issue persists, press and hold the power button on your earbuds for about 15 seconds to factory reset them. Then repeat the pairing process again from scratch. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix Bluetooth earbuds not connecting on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.